Now we shall try to understand more about the lean approach, its origin, and its application. Lean manufacturing, or lean production, is a production method derived from Toyota's 1930 operating model, which is more popularly known as Toyota Production System, or TPS. However, the term lean was reported to have been coined in 1988 by John Kraftsik in an article, Triumph of the Lean Production System. In the article, Triumph of the Lean Production System, John Kraftsik summarizes and explains the central idea. A. Lean manufacturing plants have both high levels of productivity and quality than non-lean plants, and B. The level of plant technology seems to have very little effect on the operating performance of the plant. This essentially says that an old technology-based plant can be a lean plant, and at the same time, high-performing. However, there can be some risks associated with lean implementation. According to the article, risks with implementing lean can be reduced by developing a workforce which is very well trained and flexible, designing products that are easy to build, with high quality, and a supplier network that is both supportive and high performing. The lean approach was further elaborated in 1996 by James Womack and Daniel Jones, who said that lean is a way to do more and more, with less and less human effort, less equipment, less time, and less space, while coming closer and closer to providing customers exactly what they want. This then translates into 5 key principles. 5 lean principles. In the perspective of manufacturing, these principles are: 1. Define value. It advocates to first specify the value desired by the customer. Secondly, form a team for each product to stick with that product during its entire production cycle. At last, enter into a dialogue with the customer and respect the voice of the customer. 2. Map the value stream. It advocates to identify the value stream for each product providing that value. And next, challenge all of the wasted steps. Generally, 9 out of 10 of the current steps need a relook for possible improvement. 3. Create flow. For this, make the product flow continuously through the remaining value-added steps. Next, remove any barrier or wasteful steps that stops the flow. This needs to be done on a continuous basis. 4. Establish pull. Here, introduce pull between all steps where continuous flow is possible. Create a system and a process where all successive processes have the capacity to absorb more than the process before. This will ensure that a continuous flow is maintained. 5. Seek perfection. It advocates managing toward perfection, so that, while serving the customer, the required number of steps, and the amount of time and information continually falls. In essence, lean is founded on the concept of improvements that is both continuous and incremental on the product and process, while the redundant activities are eliminated. The value of adding activities are simply only those things for which the customer is willing. Everything else is a waste and should be eventually eliminated, simplified, reduced, or integrated. We shall discuss this lean aspect more in detail in the coming sessions. We shall discuss now, in brief, how to integrate both Lean and Six Sigma in an improvement journey.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.